My name is José Luis de Vicente. I am the curator for Atmospheric Memory, the project by Rafael Lozano-Hemmer, one of our favorite artists using interactive technologies today. The idea was taking a lot of his work around biometric signals to create an experience that was going to be more than an exhibition, with the participation of all the visitors that would use their body and have, with their actions, an amplified impact on an environment around them. The piece opens with an historical artifact that is key in the history of computation, and then it takes us on a journey through immersive pieces like corridors full of thousands of audio channels, massive projections on a monumental scale, interactive pieces activated by our voice, using fog and steam, using ripples of water to create a collaborative performance where the visitors are the actors that make the system happen.
The aim of future sessions is to create a platform for people to come together to hear and find out more about the themes behind atmospheric memory, but also to offer them a space to participate and voice their concerns and their ideas as well. We felt at Future Everything that it was really important to use this chance to create different entry points for audiences, for different age groups, to engage with the themes of the project. For example, from walking tours around the city to conversations between the artist and the curator, but also with a symposium where we have different debates and conversations. We have also, as part of future sessions, a guided tour with Rafael and his studio, which is an opportunity to open the doors to atmospheric memory to a group of emerging artists, but also creative practitioners, curators, and other professionals and researchers.
That's the whole thing about the atmosphere, right? Is this idea that is right between something concrete, something that's invisible, and then something that's absolutely fundamental to breathe, but it's also something that can kill you. I'm from Mexico City, where the air literally is killing people on a daily basis. My goal is, at the end of this performance or this show, is that people will have a tangibility to the atmosphere and not take it for granted, not see it as something neutral, something invisible, but something that's ever present, and that it does have a memory, but not what Babbage wanted, something else.
Rafael Lozano-Hemmer's work has always been about exploring critically technologies and the impact of technology in society, but also helping us understand issues that sometimes are invisible. Because of all this complexity of atmospheric memory as an art experience, so it's really interesting to have people from different backgrounds to explore these ideas and have debates and invite audiences to discuss these issues.
As the project developed throughout 5 years, it focused on one theme, the atmosphere, one of the essential elements in our environment that determines our quality of life. The atmosphere has become today a battleground in the age of CO2 emissions and the planetary crisis, in the age of surveillance and the militarization of the air through technologies like drones. All of these ideas resonate in a piece that actually also connects and speaks about the very early days of computing, when Charles Babbage developed his analytical engine and thought about using computers to extract the words from the past that can still be detected in the atmosphere just by rewinding the movements of particles in the air.